Hello, my dear friends. I'm enjoying looking at the cat, little kids, and the animal world so much. That I want to visit Pete and Freddy again. Are you with me? Then go ahead, put the puzzle together. Yes, I think so. We need level medium. Yes, medium. Okay, let's go, friends. Number one. We need 4 corners. Corners number 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 side, 4 corners. I see 2 corners. 1 corners, this, and corners number 2. Okay, these corners. We have a 4 variants. Where is plates for these puzzles? And I think so. These corners for these plates. It's not right variant, friends. It is not right. Okay, variant number 2. 2. No, it is not right again. Okay, variant number 3. Maybe this. Yeah, friends, it is right. Cool. I like it. It is beautiful. Yeah. Okay. Corners number 2. Where is place for you? Maybe this? Oh no, it is not right variant. Where is place for you? Which puzzles? This maybe. Oh no, I was wrong. It's not right variant, and we have only one variant. This. Oh yeah, now it's right. It is cool. Okay, where is 1 corners? We need 2 corners. Oh, friends, I see 1 corners. And we have 2 variants for this peach puzzle. This or this. And I think so. Let's for this peach puzzles. This. No, it's not right variants. This. Yeah. And now we need 1 peach puzzle. 12 corners. 1. Oh yeah, friends. It is corners, and I think so. This plates for this peach puzzles. Look. Yeah. Look, friends, we did it. Now we have 4 corners. Woohoo! Cool, yeah. And now we need all peach puzzles with 1 side line. Yeah, this. Oh yeah. Okay. Peach puzzles number 1. I think so. We need this. Peach puzzles with 1 side line. This. Right side. Friends. Oh, look. I think so. It is right variants. Look, this one and this, and I think so. This piece for this peach puzzles. This plates for this peach puzzles. Yeah. It is right. Look. So this big, maybe like so. Okay, look. Okay. Now we need this peach puzzle. This plates for puzzles with left I think so. This is Freddy. Oh, look. Oh, yeah. This is Freddy. Hello, Freddy. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, amazing, amazing. Now we need 2 peach puzzles like this. Oh, look, friends. 1 peach puzzle was like this. And 2. Yeah. Okay. This peach puzzle. These plates for you are these. Okay, maybe this. Not, friends. It's not right variants. This peach puzzle for these plates. Yeah. Look. Now it's right. And these peach puzzles only for you. And now we need 2 peach puzzle for these plates. With like this. I see 1 peach puzzle. Where is place for you? Say this or this? I think so this. Not? Why? What is it? This? Oh, yes, friends, it is a right variant. And now we need peach puzzle for these plates. And all. Maybe these peach puzzles? No! This is not a side line with line. These peach puzzles with line, maybe? No! These peach puzzles not one side line. No. Oh, yeah! Look, friends, this peach puzzle for these plates. Oh, yeah. Ta-da! Wow, look, friends, it is amazing. Now we have all peach puzzles with one side line. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. And now we need only 2 peach puzzle in the center, and we did it. And now these peach puzzles, where is place for you? This or this? I think so this. Yeah! Oh yeah, it's so beautiful. And now we see what are you doing, Freddy and Peepson. And very, very beautiful little baby.
Hold your flippers out and
woo! Yeah! Wow! Wow, this is beautiful. Thank you, Peep. Thank you, Freddy. These beautiful animals. Yeah. Thank you, friends. Thank you. Help. Thank you. Please, if you like this video, subscribe and like this video. And see you soon. Bye 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 bye.